Celebrity Cruises is where luxury meets the sea. So you get elevated dining, modern ships, and exceptional service. But here's what a lot of first-time cruisers don't realize. That premium feel isn't all included. And while you're not stepping into ultra-luxury pricing, things like drink packages, Wi-Fi, and specialty dining can add up fast. But if you're looking for a cruise that feels a little more refined, the Celebrity experience might just be worth it. Let's start with the ships. Celebrity Cruises doesn't just have ships. They have 3 entire personalities at sea. Well, technically 4, but we're skipping the Expedition series in this video, because unless you're planning to go to the Galapagos and meet tortoises, you're probably here for the big ships. The Edge series is Celebrity's newest generation. These are the ships that define Celebrity Cruises today. We're talking sleek design and features that feel futuristic, like the Magic Carpet, a platform that literally moves up and down the side of the ship. Now, if that doesn't feel like the future of cruising, I don't know what does. Ships in the Edge series include Celebrity Edge, Celebrity Apex, Celebrity Beyond, Celebrity Ascent, Celebrity Excel, and Celebrity Excite, coming in 2028. The Solstice series is the mid-generation of Celebrity ships. Ships in the Solstice series include Celebrity Solstice, Celebrity Equinox, Celebrity Eclipse, Celebrity Silhouette, and Celebrity Reflection. The Millennium series is Celebrity's classic fleet, the OG ships of the lineup. Ships in the Millennium series include Celebrity Millennium, Celebrity Infinity, Celebrity Summit, and Celebrity Constellation. And unless your dream vacation is to the moon, Celebrity probably already sails where you want to go. We're talking Asia, Australia and the South Pacific, the Caribbean, Europe, North America, South America, and even trans-ocean crossings. And we can't forget to talk about the stop where your biggest decision is whether to go to the beach or the pool. Perfect Day Coco Cay. You'll see it on many Celebrity sailings because it's Royal Caribbean's private island in the Bahamas. Once you're on the island, a lot of it feels like an extension of the ship. Dining is complimentary at spots like the Snack Shacks, the Chill Grill, and Skipper's Grill. Water, juice, and beach umbrellas are also included because SPF can only do so much. And if you've got a drink package on board, it works here too. Same thing with Wi-Fi. It carries over depending on what you've purchased. If the included stuff feels a little too basic, don't worry. They've got upgrades for that. Things like the Thrill Water Park, the Zip Line, the Up and Away Balloon, cabanas, and the Cocoa Beach Club can be purchased if you're looking to be a little more extra on vacation. Quick things to know. Everything runs through your SeaPass card, just like on board, so anything extra gets charged back to your ship account. You can pre-book everything before your cruise, or try your luck on the island if there's availability. You should bring cash if you want to shop at the straw market for souvenirs. Moving on to the staterooms, there are a few different levels depending on how bougie you want to be, but we'll stick to the main types. Veranda staterooms are one of the most popular choices because you get your own private outdoor space with complimentary fresh air. And on Edge series ships, you'll find the famous Infinite Veranda, where your living space gets transformed into your outdoor space. Veranda staterooms are especially important on Alaska cruises because you really don't want to miss nature doing its thing outside. Ocean view staterooms are for when you still want a view but you're on a budget, so you skip the veranda to save some money. Inside staterooms are the most budget-friendly option. No natural light, just somewhere to sleep or nap. A lot of people book these because they barely spend time in their room anyway. Now let's talk food, because let's be honest, that's half the reason we're on a cruise. First up, what's included? You've got the Ocean View Cafe, your global buffet where grabbing one thing somehow turns into 3 full plates. And then there's the main dining experience. On most Celebrity ships, you'll have 1 main dining room, but on the Edge series ships, you actually get 4. There's Normandy for contemporary French cuisine, Tuscan for Southern Italian, Cosmopolitan for New American with global influences, and Cyprus for pan-Mediterranean flavors. If you're looking to level up dinner, that's where the specialty restaurants come in. Celebrity has a wide range of specialty restaurants that vary by ship, but that extra special experience comes at an extra cost. Prices usually range anywhere from about $45 to $150 per person, plus gratuity. Let's talk about packages, because if you're trying to save money, packages are the way to go on Celebrity. Celebrity offers drink packages designed to make getting drinks feel a lot more seamless in the main restaurant, specialty restaurants, casual dining restaurants, and all bars and lounges. There are a few different drink package options. You have your classic, your premium, and your non-alcoholic drink packages. Packages can be purchased up to 48 hours before you sail or your first day on board, but there's a catch. All adults of legal drinking age in the same stateroom have to buy the same drink package. If you already know you're going to want drinks and Wi-Fi, Celebrity's all-included package is worth looking into. It bundles a classic drink package and basic Wi-Fi into your cruise fare. and can save you up to $800 compared to buying each separately. Just keep in mind, everyone staying in the same stateroom has to book the same package. The all-included rate is only available when you book your cruise. So if you wait until after you've booked, just kiss the savings goodbye. If you're planning to try multiple specialty restaurants, Celebrity also offers specialty dining packages. Book at least 2 days before your cruise to lock in the savings. Specialty dining packages and reservations are subject to availability. Keep in mind that a package only saves you money if you actually use it wisely. Otherwise, you're just prepaying for good intentions. You'll also get plenty of included entertainment between ports to keep you from getting bored at sea, like theater shows, live music, and events. You'll also have included amenities like access to the pools and the fitness center. If you're looking to spend a little money, obviously there's shopping, but you also have things like the casino, Deal or No Deal, spa treatments, and the list goes on. Moving on to gratuities. If you don't prepay your gratuities when you book, they'll automatically be added to your onboard account each day. Also, a 20% gratuity will be automatically added to all pre-cruise and onboard purchases. Let me introduce you to the Celebrity Cruise app. You can purchase packages, book dining, reserve shore excursions, check in for your cruise, and keep track of all your plans all in one place. So who is Celebrity Cruises for? It's not the most kid-focused cruise line, and the crowd does lean a bit older. But if you're after a premium cruise experience that delivers on comfort, dining, and modern style, there's nothing like a Celebrity vacation.